morning, good afternoon, good evening people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, may I introduce a bit? Call me Lola and I run a personal fashion channel. What you can see on this channel is DIY fashions such as making over old and outdated outfit to something new and trendy, recreating celebrity outfits, mix and match, fashion illustrations. I promise you're gonna find joy and relaxing time here because this channel is made by Joy. So make sure to subscribe my channel, okay, and also hit the bell button so you don't miss any new videos coming. How do I look today? Still pretty as usual, right? I might say I am a pretty high self-love lady. So this is my original clothing. While the material is nice, yet for sure it's hard to work on. And also with this kind of outfit, we gotta wear another inner layer so as to cover sensitive parts, which is not my style. I'm not talking about bra and panty, you know, right? This fabric is flimsy and soft. It has a velvet jade green band with button, so hopefully we can take advantage of it. See how it shines under the sun. Now let's make it worthier, okay? My very first step is to find the style inspiration. Normally I go for Pinterest or Instagram because they're a huge source of outfit inspiration. After searching for a while, I think I'm gonna go with a top with V-neck and has sleeve. If you follow me on IG, oh yeah, by the way, please connect with me on Instagram with the name madebyjoy__. I leave somewhere on this screen for more detailed, fancier fashion image content, okay? Yeah, back to the story. So if you know me before, you might sense that I am a no neck and no sleeves crop top lover. I have so many of them. That's why today I want to change. Well, there is a reason. This kind of fabric itself is already so damn appealing and sexy because it's see-through, you know? So I will cover more parts of my upper body with neck and sleeves. Yeah, I'm bad, but somehow I'm still good, okay? Alright, now let's analyze the top a bit to see what and how many pieces do we need. You can see that we need 2 front pieces, 1 back piece, or 2 small back pieces, 2 sleeves, and 1 lower bust band. That's how I plan for the shirt. Next, I call this step is to destroy the clothing. Just kidding, don't be panicked, okay? We just unseam the clothing to see fabric patterns, okay? You know, sometimes we don't need to do this step because we might restyle the clothing just by fixing a bit of a detail, but not today though. Alright, finished unseaming the outfit. So these are all the materials. 1 velvet band with button and 3 big see-through with different sizes. Now let's move to measuring. Normally I will measure carefully and make some proper paper patterns, but today I'm gonna do it a bit different And I think it's easier for you so as you can really do it yourself. Use your favorite sleeve shirt to shape the top. What you can do here is lay the shirt on the paper and draw the shape out of it on the paper. A huge disadvantage of this method is the inaccuracy. Yeah, the inaccuracy in measurements. But for me it's okay. This fabric is not stretchy, but I will add some extra centimeter for fabric movement, also for backup plan. Now let's draw your front neckline. Depend on how deep and how far you want your neck to be. Here I prefer a deep V-neck. Now move on working with back pieces. For the back neck measurement, I will mark one side 8 cm, not yet including seam allowance. Then draw a straight line to create a complete pattern. We need 2 of them. Now for the sleeves patterns, also draw based on the shape of your favorite shirt. You yourself decide how long it's gonna be, okay? Also it depends on the fabric availability. Finally, this is how my top look in basic separated pieces. Cut the fabric based on those patterns. Now it's time to connect them together. Sew the shoulder line first, 2 sides, okay? Next, sew the sleeve to the body. I know we can clearly see the mess here. The fabric didn't match in size, right? It's okay. If when you try it on, it's okay, then just keep going. Later we can cut the unused fabric. Now let's sew the armpit lines. See, our top is being shaped. Can you see that? Now hem the neckline. Sorry, but I was so lazy changing my thread, so I sew in white thread. It's because my overlocking machine thread I have now is also white only. But yeah, it's kinda ugly, so actually later I did replace and sew some seams again with darker and mature thread color. A small tip here is that we can cut a bit in the hem fold of the neckline for better sewing experience and better look. Next, sew a band to the top. With those buttons, it's a way for us to get in and out of the outfit. I I see that I still have some more fabric, and actually the sleeves are not so long as expected, so I will attach more to them. You can measure the width of the sleeve hole then cut, okay? But today I prefer freestyle. For me, fashion is sometimes something spontaneous, meaning if you cut it that way, in that measurement, it's gonna be that style. But if you cut it this way, it's gonna be this different style. Fashion is free. There is no right or wrong. Just follow the magic words as long as it looks wow on you, okay? And we are finished. So fast, right? See how shining the top turns out. And this is the final look of our today's start. You can choose your pretty bralette to mix with this kind of top. And actually with just one top, we can change the concept of the outfit just by changing some accessories such as hat or shoes. I show you 2 examples. Overall, I quite like it, but yeah, I wish it could be a bit longer, but it's okay. My hips still look fine though. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now because it's free. And also in case you miss me, you can watch me on the channel. Thank you again. Have a good day and remember to drink water and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.